What's good with it, YouTube? It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, man. Back with another unboxing for y'all, man. But before we get into that, man, if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Also hit that notification bell. And if you've been rocking with me, I appreciate you pulling back up, man. So besides all that, man, let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. As you can see, I'm sitting here with a Just Do It box straight from the sneakers out. And by the thumbnail, you should already know what shoe that I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Oh. Let's see. Open that with no problem. See, this is the receipt straight from the Nikes app or whatnot. And here we go, fellas. We got a Jordan Retro 1 box. Go ahead and get into it. The colorway reads black, metallic gold. Retail price of this shoe is 160 bucks. This is also a women exclusive, and this is a size 9. It's not my personal pair, but I ended up hitting on the sneakers app for it anyway. Yeah. So, with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and open this box and get into it. As you can tell from the cover, you got the quality control stamp inside of there or whatnot. Also, you got your standard white paper. Oh man, look at these things, man. Yeah, but a black and white Retro 1, man. You know, inside the box, you also got the quality control sticker inside too, man. So, I'm gonna start like how I always start. Put this right here. From the bottom, work my way around the shoe. As you can tell, we got a predominantly black bottom with the Nike at the bottom of the shoe. Also, work my way up towards the midsole of the shoe. You got this Panda fur, man. Like, for real, man. This shoe, I don't know, man. I hit on it. I don't think this here gonna stay in my collection, man. You know, I'm not too pleased with this Panda fur, man. Like, for real, you know. But hey, man, the Nike swoosh also has the Panda fur around it or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? You got a white midsole right here. And this Panda fur works its way all the way from the heel end of the shoe all the way around towards the toe box of it and back around. Man, I don't know, man, but it's a black and white shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like, people gonna cop this thing, man, just because it can rock with a lot of different fits that you choose. You know what I mean? As for the tongue, you got the Nike Air on the tongue. We check the inside of this thing. Check the insole. You got a white insole, you know, with the Nike Air off in it. It also has the QR code thing inside these things, man. Guess Nike wasn't playing, or Jordan Brand wasn't playing when they said they was gonna put that QR code inside that thing. You also got a white Air Jordan wing logo. But man, it comes with a pair of extra laces, white laces. Man, I don't know, fellas. You know, as for me and females, you know, if you watching it, ladies, or y'all watching this too, you know, I appreciate y'all pulling up too. But man, I don't know about this shoe, man, you know. It ain't nothing that I might keep in my collection, man. You know, I just wanted to, I'm glad that I hit and I was able to give y'all the review on the shoe, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about these. It's worthy enough to stay in your collection. But before I get out of here, man, you know what I'm saying? I want to introduce y'all to the newest member of my Funko Pop collection, Mr. Bulbasaur. You know what I'm saying? I was able to pick this up from Target over the weekend. You know what I'm saying, man? And I'm happy to have this in my collection. You know, I'm still missing a few, but I'm guaranteed that I will get them, you dig? I will finish adding on to my collection. But other than that, man, leave me a comment at the bottom of the page. Let me know if you're rocking with these things or not. Let me know if you was able to hit on the sneakers app. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, other than that, man, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks. You know what I'm saying? Leave a like. Also, subscribe to the channel, you dig? So I can keep bringing these reviews and bangers to y'all, man. But other than that, I'm out of here, man. Peace.